Rocks and soil. Rocks and soil. The uppermost part of the earth is comprised of rocks, dirt, soil, water, etc. Rocks. Our earth is made up of rocks and soil. Rocks are made up of minerals. Rocks are generally hard. Diamond is the hardest rock. Coal, which is used as fuel, is not a very hard rock. A few rocks such as chalk are soft. Soil. The uppermost layer of the earth consists of soil. Long time ago, our earth's surface was rocky. Over millions of years, with the effect of the water and the heat of the sun, these rocks broke into smaller pieces. These small pieces further broke into very small pieces, and finally they formed the fine particles of soil. Soil profile. The soil of any place is arranged in different layers such as topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock. Arrangement of layers is called the soil profile of a place. The topsoil, which is the uppermost layer of soil, is dark colored. The topsoil also contains some rotten pieces of dead plants and animals mixed with it. Rotten pieces of plants and animals are known as humus. This dark brown humus is very useful for the growth of plants. The subsoil, which is present under the topsoil, is light in color. The bedrock, which is the bottom layer of the soil, consists of solid rocks. Different types of soil. The features of soil differ from place to place. At some places, it is light brown, at some places, dark brown, and other places, it is red in color. Soils are of different colors because they are formed from different rocks. The soil also contains air and water in it. Soil are of different types such as gravel, sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. Gravel is made up of small pieces of rocks. This soil is unable to hold water. Gravel is used to make roads and paths. Sandy soil can be seen on beaches and deserts. Its particles are smaller than gravel. It can be of gray, yellow, or light brown color. Sandy soil allows air to pass through it, but it cannot hold much water. It contains very little humus and is not a good soil for growing most plants. Clay soil is soft and smooth. It is used to make different types of pots. The particles of clay soil are very small and are packed tightly. Clay is very sticky and can hold lots of water. Its particles have no space between them to allow passage of air. Therefore, it is not good for the growth of plants. Loamy soil is a mixture of clay, sand, and humus. It has very fine particles and is the best soil for growing plants. Plants' roots get enough air and water to grow in this soil. The humus present in it makes it fertile. Uses of soil. Soil serves the different purposes for all living things. Soil supports our life. All living things depend on plants for their survival. Plants cannot grow without soil. They get water and minerals from soil. Different plants need different types of soil to grow. Sandy soil is good for growing bajra, and clay soil is good for growing rice. Loamy soil is good for growing most plants. We add manure and fertilizers to the soil for making it rich and fertile. Soil helps in building houses. We also use soil for making our houses. Bricks, cement, glass, etc. are made from soil. Animals live in soil. Many animals such as rabbits, snakes, rats, earthworms, etc. make homes in the soil. These animals dig burrows in the soil to live in. Soil is a storehouse of different minerals. We get coal, petroleum, and metal ores that are used to make gold, silver, copper, lead, and other metals. Many things that we use in our daily life, such as natural gas, plastic, coal, petrol, etc., is obtained from the soil.